Hey guys, Irene here. Today I'm gonna show you how I DIY'd this Victorian bonnet. It's super easy and under $20 depending on what supplies you already have. I've been really inspired by Victorian fashion lately. I just love all of the hats and dresses and accessories. These pieces can be quite pricey, either if you buy them vintage or if you buy them from someone that creates costumes. But there's quite a few things that you can DIY easily, and this hat is definitely one of them. So let's get started with this DIY. I got the straw hat for only $5 from Value Village. I'm gonna put it on this mannequin hat, which I also got from Value Village by the way, and I'm gonna make some markings on the brim of the hat where I want to pull it with the string later. Once I've put the markings, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that piece of the brim out just like you see me doing in the video. I got some lace, ruffled trim, and ribbon from the Fabric Land, and here I'm just deciding where I want to place it on the hat. I'm also going to be decorating with some fake flowers. Of course, it wouldn't be a DIY of mine if I didn't use some flowers here. Next, I'm gluing the lace trim to the inner part of the hat. If you are using hot glue like me, just be careful because it is really hot. I'm using a pen here to help me stick the fabric to the hat without using my fingers. Next is the ribbon, and before I glued it on top of the hat, I made sure that I measured it and knew exactly how long I want it to be. I also decided to use two ribbons for kind of a layered effect. I went ahead and sewed the two ribbons together just so it's going to be easier to glue them on top of the hat. And finally, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the hat with some fake flowers. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy and quick DIY. If you do decide to make this hat, make sure to tag me on your social media. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, click that bell to get notifications whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my new video. Bye!